Namaste. Our bedroom is the place where we have good quality sleep, where we relax, rejuvenate, and then re energize ourselves. So it needs good quality sleep. For good quality sleep, there should be positive energy in the room. How do I get positive energy in my bedroom? When I came across this question while I was surfing the net the other day, I remembered the tips I gave to one of my students. After implementing these tips, he came out from insomnia and his sleep quality has improved. I'm going to share that in this particular video. The first thing is, let there be more ventilation in the room. When air, breeze, along with that the prana, the sunlight, all things flow freely in the room, it energizes the room. It removes the negative atmosphere in the room, negative ions in the room that gets accumulated. And whenever you go to a nice airy place, maybe to a beach side or along the hilltops, you find our free open grounds. There's free flow of energy, free flow of water, free flow of wind, the abundance of light. You feel very good, fresh and energetic. In a room, you have to have an air conditioner. Even with air conditioner, you will not feel very so energetic and fresh. So as much as possible, let the energy flow freely and keep your doors, windows open. During the daytime when you are not using it, probably in the night when you go to bed, you may want to switch on the air conditioner. That's absolutely fine. But let the free flow of energy come into, invite energy into your room, bedroom. The next tip is having positive energy, positive vibrations in the room. How do you get positive vibrations? We know sound is made of only vibrations. Smooth prayer, smooth music, very scintillating music, prayers, chants, hymns. These are all the tools we have that can enhance the positive atmosphere, the vibrations in the room. So whether you are using the room or not, even when we are inside the room, there can be light music that can go inside the room always, that will balance any disharmony in the room and enhance the positive energy in the room. The third tip I'm going to share with you today is have light and pleasant colors in the room. If you're making your bedroom fresh, yes, you can look at repainting it with lighter colors, pleasing and soothing colors, so that enhances the positive energy and atmosphere, and it enhances the quantum of light in your room. If you have already made it, if you have some dark colors, absolutely fine. You can use your curtains, bedspreads, etc., which can enhance the atmosphere and lighten the atmosphere inside the room. That can also bring in positive energy in your room. Then next, declutter. There is a place for everything and everything in its place. As long as you keep everything in their place, those energies will remain there, and when you get into that section of the room, you will get to do. Suppose there is a reading desk in one corner of your room. Yes, when you go there, you would feel like you are getting into the reading atmosphere. So only things related to your reading, writing and study material are kept over there. And in like that, in each corner of the room, let everything be placed in its right place. If you have messed up, brought everything and put it in the place, it's time to declutter it and get it back, everything in their place. And once in a while, reorganize the energies. Don't let them be in the same place. Maybe if the furnitures are can be moved around once in a while, maybe once in a few months, maybe 6 months or 1 year, if you move around and then dust it out, it will again re-energize, revitalize and bring in some freshness and energy into the room. So if we always want variety, by changing the position of our furniture in the room, you can bring in that positive energy and get that freshness into the room. And of course, we take bath every day, we brush every day to clean ourselves. We sweep, we mop. Along with that, we can also dust out every day and keep the room clean and dust free. When you open it, definitely dust will come in, and then have some time every day to get it cleaned. Either you get it clean or you clean it yourself, because that's the place you are going to live, that is the place you're going to sleep, and that is the place you're going to get rejuvenated yourself. So maintaining it clean and clutter free is a way to enhance the positive energy in your room. And finally, this is the most important thing: all of challenges or problems or concerns or worries can be discussed outside the bedroom, not inside the bedroom. We carry along with us our moods, our emotions, those energies as well. And when we discuss those subjects and we have arguments, debates, and fights in the bedroom, obviously we are enhancing the negative energy inside the room, and that has to be vented out. One is, when you keep the doors, windows open in the morning, things can vent out. And if we can find a place where you can discuss these things somewhere else, it is better. And definitely discussing all those subjects sitting on your bed is not a good idea. These are the 7 tips. Some are easy, some needs a little bit of effort. Some you are already aware, some may be new, some you are aware but not having been practicing. Whatever it is, you can just reflect on it and see what you need to do or where you need to improve, so that you can enhance your positive energy in the room and have a good night's sleep. Probably this can be a nice tip for overcoming insomnia in your life. Have a great time. And if you find this video interesting, and if you find the content useful, and you want to have more such content, you can connect to us through our you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up sign below, and if you're seeing this in social media, in Facebook or LinkedIn also, you can join our Facebook group. The link is provided in the description below. And you can join in our Telegram group, where we will be sharing more information about our initiatives or activities going forward. And yeah, you can drop in a message or a comment. You have a feedback or something, feel free to post it down. And you are looking for answers for certain subjects, certain questions, you can also post them under it. I'll definitely read through all your responses and respond to you on that. I'm glad to be here, to be of service to you. Namaste. Thank you.